Wave at mommy. Wave at mommy.
Hi.
Rockford.
What you doing?
Take a ride. Take a ride. Show mommy how you can ride. Let's do it. Let's do it. Put your feet up there. There you go. Wow, look at you go. Look at you go.
You're amazing.
Yeah? Right. Whoa.
You're great.
What is that? What is it? Can you say horsey? Horsey? You taking a ride?
What sound does a horse make? That's pretty close.
Say giddy up. Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up. What?
You saying hi to the horse? Aww.
Did the horsey say hi back to you?
Can you say hi to everyone at home? Can you look at the camera? Say hi.
No, look back here. Look from back here. See back here. Now, if you look right in, say hi.
Hi, everybody.
Good girl. Can you give the horse kisses? Give the horse kisses. Your sweater? Or my purse? No, you can't have my purse.
Careful.
Ouch.
Ouch.
The ouchie.
Bye-bye, sweetie.